Hey, want to lift and round your booty in just 14 days? You don't need a gym and you don't need equipment. Just you, your mat, and this routine. Let's sculpt, shape, and build your best booty right at home. Your transformation starts today. Let's go. Welcome to Zest. I'm Laura M., and I'm here to guide you through a fun, energizing, and super effective 14-day butt lift challenge. This is beginner-friendly, apartment-friendly, and all about real results. In just 10 to 15 minutes a day, we'll target the glutes from every angle to lift, round, and tone. So, let's get started with a quick warm-up to activate those muscles. First, glute. Bridges. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips up, squeeze your glutes at the top, then lower down. Keep your core tight and your movements controlled. Let's go. Up and down. Feel those muscles waking up. Next, standing leg swings. Hold on to something for balance. Swing one leg forward and backward. Nice and easy. Let those hips loosen up. Switch legs and keep breathing. Now, squat and reach. Feet shoulder-width apart. Squat down, then reach your arms overhead as you come up. We're warming up the whole lower body. A few more reps. You've got this. Great. Time for the main workout. Round 1, first move. Squat pulses. Drop into a squat and stay low. Now pulse up and down in small, controlled motions. Feel the burn in your thighs and glutes. You're doing amazing. Next, donkey kicks on your right leg. Get on all fours. Kick your right foot up toward the ceiling and squeeze your glute at the top. Keep your back flat. Switch to your left leg. Same move, same control. Now, sumo squat with a hold, feet wide, toes pointed out. Drop into a squat and hold it there. Feel your inner thighs and glutes engage. Hold it strong. You're powerful. Back on the mat for glute bridge march. Lift your hips and hold. Now lift one foot, then the other like you're marching. Keep those glutes tight and lifted. Great job. Take a 1-minute rest. Sip some water. Breathe. Let's hit round 2. Round 2, curtsy lunges. Step your right leg diagonally behind you and lower into a lunge. Come back up, then switch legs. Nice and controlled. Glutes on fire. That's the goal. Now, fire hydrants, starting with your right leg. On all fours, lift your leg out to the side like a dog at a fire hydrant. Focus on using your glutes, not your back. Switch to the left leg. Same move. Keep your core strong and your movement slow. Time for single leg glute. Bridge on the right side. Lie on your back. Lift your hips with one foot in the air. Hold and squeeze. This one's a real sculptor. Switch legs and repeat. You're doing so great. Just one more round to go. Take another quick rest. 1 minute. Catch your breath. Round 3. Jump squats. Squat down and jump up with power. Land softly and keep moving. Modify with regular squats if needed. You're stronger than you think. Rainbow leg lifts on the right side. On all fours, lift your leg in an arc behind you like a rainbow. Squeeze at the top. Now switch to your left leg. Almost there. Frog pumps. Lie on your back, feet together, knees open. Push your hips up and down quickly. This one feels weird, but works wonders. Last move. Wall. Sit. Slide down against a wall. Hold the position with your knees at a 90-degree angle. Booty burning? Good. That means it's working. Hold it, and done. You crushed it. Now let's cool it down. Sit on the floor and reach for your toes. Relax your back and legs. Now switch to pigeon stretch. Right leg forward, left leg back. Hold and breathe. Now switch sides. Finish in child's pose. Knees wide, arms stretched forward. deep breaths in and out. You did it. You showed up today, and that's what matters. This is where change starts. Not with perfection, but with consistency. Come back to this routine every day for the next 14 days, and you'll see a real difference in lift, tone, and shape. The soreness? That's your body growing stronger. The burn? That's your progress in motion. And the smile you're feeling right now? That's confidence. You've got this. You're powerful. You're unstoppable. If you loved this workout, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Comment below and tell me how your booty feels right now. And don't forget to subscribe to Zest and Zest for more home workouts that bring real results. Come back tomorrow. We've got more booty work waiting for you. See you then. Keep glowing, keep going.